What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you with a new pickup. In front of me I have the new Arcade 1-Up Pac-Man edition, Walmart exclusive, released today for Black Friday, on sale for $2.49, which is a good deal. Originally they're $2.99, so I got a good deal on this. I just got done putting it together like not even 5 minutes ago. I couldn't wait for this to go on sale, so go ahead and start this up. Give you a first-hand look. And this is my first time powering it up since I completed the arcade, and it has 2 games on here. Sorry for the lighting. This is not usually where I make my videos. It has Pac-Man and Pac-Man Plus, as you can see on the main screen. It's still 2 players, but it has 1 joystick. So up, down, select. Have your on and off button, your volume, off, medium, and high. So we'll select Pac-Man, then press A, then it instructs you what to do. If you want to do 1 player or 2 player, you hold player 1 for 5 seconds to return to the main menu to back out. So we're going to play 1 player. Loud, medium, off. And the joystick moves pretty good. Turn it to medium. Medium volume. That's in the middle. Put it all the way to the right and it's loud. All the way to the left, turn the volume off.
Hi, Dad.
And that's it. We'll hold player 1 to go back to the main screen. Hold for 5 seconds, it takes it back. So yeah, that's the new Arcade 1-Up Pac-Man edition. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.
Is it fun?